Hello, on behalf of Expert Village, my name is Joe Mon. I'm a jeweler in Salt Lake City. I run the VUG local jewelry store. I'm going to be demonstrating on how to tighten a stone. Basically, any faceted stone generally is held in by prongs, either 4 or 6 prongs. This is an aquamarine that's held in by 4 white gold prongs. The basics of tightening a stone when it is loose is using setting pliers, which is a special plier. Basically, you use the short end of the plier on the opposite prong and the long end of the plier on the other prong, and basically just give it a little squeeze, change positions, do opposites. Might do opposites this way. You can also go underneath the ring and squeeze down gently. That's the basics of it. Other stones can be tightened with other tools, but that is the most common one we use.